Android photos can contain a GPS location that shows where they were taken. To control this for new pictures, open Camera Settings and scroll down to Location Tags. When this switch is off, camera will not add a location to new shots. When it is on, supported pictures and videos can store the location, provided device location and camera permission are also enabled. To turn location tags on, tap the switch. If Android asks to improve location accuracy, tap Turn On. Camera may then request location permission, while using the app, or only this time are safer than permanent background access. This phone uses only this time for the demonstration. Confirm the final device location prompt, and the location tag switch turns on. Once location tags is enabled, photos taken in camera can include coordinates. That is useful for travel memories and sorting pictures by place, but it can also reveal where a photo was taken when the metadata is shared. If you do not want future shots tagged, tap the switch off again. I am restoring the original camera setting now. To check an existing photo, open it in Samsung Gallery. I am using a disposable tutorial picture with public Eiffel Tower coordinates, not this phone's real position. With the picture open, tap Details at the bottom. Gallery reads the embedded GPS data and displays the location section, including an address when Android can resolve the coordinates. To remove the location from this single photo, tap Edit in the Details panel. Tap the Remove Location icon beside the address, then tap Save. The Details page returns with the location section gone. This removes the embedded GPS location from this copy of the picture. It does not erase the photo or change its visible image. The full privacy check is simple. Use camera settings to stop location tags on future photos, and use gallery details to inspect or remove location from an existing one. If device location was enabled only for this task, expand Quick Settings and turn the location tile off again. The tutorial photo is disposable and will be removed from this phone after recording.